Here I have Realme 9i, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it and can't even unlock your device now. So what you can do in this kind of a miserable situation. Firstly, you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination power key plus volume up, volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on and you can see Realme logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume down. In the following menu you have to select English, then select Wipe Data and select Format Data. Then enter the verification code. It's not like my PIN code, lock screen password, it's just some random numbers. You will have other numbers, so you just have to enter these numbers you have on your screen. Tap Format, and after a few seconds data will be formatted, and then your device will be restarted within a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.